Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 PM Lotto result. Araw ng Miyerkules, September 18, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 9 PM draw. 27 and 7 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 PM draw. 0, 6, 4 in exact order. Sa 4D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 1, 9, 2, and 6 in exact order. With a minimum guaranteed price of 10,000 pesos. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 4D Lotto, second prize and third prize for your corresponding numbers. Sa Mega Lotto 645, ang winning numbers ay 36, 4, 29, 25, 45, and 28 in any order. With a jackpot prize of 55,038,387 pesos. Sa Grand Lotto 655, ang winning numbers ay 2, 15, 45, 31, 19, and 24 in any order. With a jackpot prize of 29,700,000 pesos. At bukas ng gabi, abangan natin ang Lotto 642 na may estimated jackpot of 15 million. At ang Super Lotto 649 na may estimated jackpot of 58 million. Lotto schedule ngayong Huwebes, Easy 2 Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 6D Lotto, Lotto 642 at ang Super Lotto 649. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.